It's been 6 years already. I've never told this story before. But I know he did get back to his planet. Because at daybreak, I didn't find his body. At night, I love listening to the stars. It's like 500 million little bells. But something extraordinary has happened. When I drew that muzzle for the little prince, I forgot to put in the leather strap. And then I wonder, what's happened there on his planet? Maybe the sheep has eaten the flower. Look up at the sky. You'll see how everything changes. And no grown-up will ever understand how such a thing could be so important. If you should travel to Africa someday in the desert, I beg you not to hurry past. Wait. Wait a little, just under the star. Then if a child comes to you, if he laughs, if he has golden hair, if he doesn't answer your questions, you'll know who he is. If this should happen, be kind. Don't let me go on being so sad. Send word immediately that he's come back.